Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my home. So I received this package a couple of weeks ago and I was gonna unbox it then because I was gonna go on this fabulous trip back to Belize. But then Miss Corona came and she said, honey, have a seat because you're not going anywhere. So I lost my motivation then to unbox. But now you're stuck at home and I'm stuck at home, so what better way to spend the time than to unbox this beautiful makeup bag together. So if you're a fan of unboxing videos or you just want to chill out with me today, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any of the future makeup videos. Yes, I know guys, I am beat to capacity for this unboxing video, but you only live once, right? Let's get to unboxing. Alright guys, specifics are in. This is the Professional Makeup Bag by Rownyeon. It does weigh 3.5 pounds, while it is 11.5 inches wide and 16.1 inches long. It does go in for a diameter of 4.3 inches to hold all your makeup belongings. And that is amazing guys, because now you'll be able to travel with all your favorite brushes and your ride or die palette. So what else can you ask for? So now that you know all the technical stuff about this makeup bag, it's time for the fun part. Let's fill this bag up with all the makeup stuff. I hope you enjoyed and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos. Until next time guys, bye.